Hi there everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of cellular intelligence. You might think cells function without any awareness, but that's far from true. Cells are like miniature data hubs, constantly collecting information about their surroundings and keeping tabs on their internal state. Imagine this. Cells use this data to manage essential functions like survival, growth, and reproduction. They tweak their metabolism based on nutrient availability, progress through the cell cycle to ensure complete progeny, repair damage as it happens, and interact appropriately with other cells. In multicellular organisms, cells even undergo programmed cell death or apoptosis when it's beneficial for the entire population. Pretty smart, right? Without a sophisticated sensory system to detect environmental signals like nutrients, toxins, or signals from other cells, or to monitor internal events like DNA replication and organelle growth, a cell's ability to thrive would be severely limited. Cognition is crucial at all levels of life, and cells are no exception. Molecular biology has documented numerous examples of how cells acquire, transmit, and process information. But here's the kicker, we still don't fully grasp the basic principles of cell informatics. This makes it a major research goal for biologists today. Cells utilize a myriad of molecular interactions to process information and make decisions. As we delve deeper into cellular processes, they invariably become more complex. That's why we're now in the era of systems biology. It's all about understanding how groups of molecules work together as a system to achieve useful functions. Gone is the old view that molecules act independently. So, stay tuned as we explore more on this in part 1 of our series on cellular intelligence. Thanks for watching.